Hey, what's up? Barnaby here, another HelloLife moment because you are tapping into a smart living network that is HelloLife.net. And the guy that's going to be fielding some questions right here that you've offered up to us would be Dr. Jeffrey Chamberlain, who is a family medicine specialist. We're talking all about anxiety disorders. And this one comes from a person who asks, is cognitive behavioral therapy a viable treatment option? If so, how does it work? But let's get to the root definition. Cognitive behavioral therapy. What is that?
So that's kind of the fancy way of saying, the traditional counseling that people do. There's different aspects of it, but the main concept is cognitive, using your mind, and behavioral, kind of changing behavior. So thinking about things, talking about things, and definitely changing behaviors to help out with your anxiety.
So more like talk therapy as opposed to medicinal therapy.
Exactly. And it actually has been shown to be very helpful. There's actually a lot of different types. There's the extinction therapies where you take something that causes your phobia and be exposed to it slowly over time to make you not afraid of it anymore or not causing anxiety anymore. There's discussing things and making changes in your life to help it so it's not aggravating your anxiety anymore. So there's a lot of different things that you can do in cognitive behavioral therapy.
Well, and it would seem that the mind is such a powerful entity. That would be preferable to relying on chemicals just to take you down a notch, so to speak, so you don't react in a hyper way to something that might be frightening to you.
Yeah, I definitely agree. I mean, cognitive behavioral therapy in a way is the most natural way of managing anxiety. And so it's probably the number one way, I'd say, is the first.
Almost as if your mind has gotten you into this jam, so your mind is getting you out.
Exactly.
Right. And so you think that it works pretty well?
Yeah, there's actually really good studies and research showing that it can help a lot of people with anxiety issues. So it's a really good way to go. And you can use it in combination with other things also. It's not like you can only do that, but using that in combination with other things such as natural products or medicine or other things that you can do to help with anxiety can really make a difference.
So find a trusted physician to lead you through the process, because I think a lot of people would say, I want to do it the natural way, but maybe what they need most is to drop it down a notch through some sort of medication so they can become rational enough where they can then address in an effective way their situation.
Yeah, some people do need medications to help out, but sometimes going to the counseling first might be a good first step.
All righty, but again, start with a person you trust. Your family physician would be a good way to go.
Yep.
All righty. And you know what? You've taken a brave step right here, because the fact that you're delving into this anxiety disorder video means that you or someone you know might be suffering from it. So good for you for doing that, and feel comfortable anytime there's a situation you're having a problem with in life as regards your health or your thoughts. Come to HelloLife.net. It's an excellent place to start.